Good afternoon. Just past 1 o'clock and we can see this beach is exploding already. Benidorm is currently at almost 81% capacity, and that means there's just a little less than 1/5 of the hotel rooms and apartments are still empty. Almost everything is full, and there's a big chance if you're booking a last minute your favorite hotel isn't available anymore. Over the last week we had plenty of rain, thunderstorms and actual high winds, everything you can't imagine you don't want on your holiday here in Benidorm. And right now is the first day. It'll be gorgeous out here. Temperatures will reach up today until 21 degrees, and that trend will continue the rest of the week. We'll see temperatures of nearly 23 during the rest of the week here in Benidorm. Unfortunately, the wind is still a bit high, so we got the yellow flag out, but we can clearly see this doesn't interrupt people or discourage them from going towards the beach. Right now we're going to take a look at some of the bars, how busy they are. We're going to head down towards the strip, see how the bars over there are doing, and of course we're going to check out the market. Maybe it's vacant over there, as everyone was literally waiting for the sun to come out and enjoy the beach days again. Over here at the Bulldog, it's big business for today. Full terrace, loads of people enjoying the sun. There we have one of the most well-known, the Tiki Beach. And it isn't that busy yet over here. We've seen more crowds the last few days on this one. And next to it, Cayman. Yes, no place empty anymore, all filled up. So, while there are plenty of Brits currently over here in Benidorm, most of the tourists are from Spain. Cities like Madrid, the Valencian community, from everywhere they're coming here to Benidorm to enjoy the beaches, the old town and everything else it has to offer. Due to the unpredictable weather of the last week, lots and lots of Spanish people have waited for their bookings to make for the holiday to Benidorm, and we'll see an increase of 3% for the upcoming days, and that will bring the total up to 83% of capacity here in Benidorm for the Easter holidays. We have made it towards the strip right now to see how much of the Brits prefer this place over the beach right now. It is clear to say as how busy this street was a few days ago during the wind and everything, as a nice shelter place for all the Brits. Right now, loads of people have went to the beach to enjoy the sunshine over there, or maybe the swimming pool at the hotel. Right now we're on our way towards the market. See how busy it'll still be over there. It's just almost 1:30, so that means the market should be finished already, but who knows, maybe it'll continue for a long time. And over at Hotel Helios we can see plenty of people already at the pool enjoying the sun. And while Benidorm is almost full right now, we just had a look at the prices for the Helios Hotel. If you want to come today, 120 euros a room a night it is. And they still have some rooms available. So if you are at home, enjoying the rainy weather, want to come here, book a flight and you could be here for today. Just 120 a night at the Helios. We have arrived at the market and we can clearly see it isn't that busy over here. Might be due to the fact we're quite late. or because of the fact that most people prefer the beach after a long period of rain. Bars over here didn't lose any popularity. As most of the people are leaving the market right now, we are leaving as well. Time to head to Uncle Pat's and the Riviera bar over there on the left and see how busy it'll be over there. The first bars are showing us it isn't the busiest yet. Might have been, and maybe lots of people left right now for the beach or anything. But it isn't just that busy right now. And there we are at Uncle Pat's. A busy terrace over here. The opposite Riviera bar, lots of place left. So, wanna come here? Book the Helios, 120, loads of seats left, and enjoy the holiday. And loads of people are enjoying the pool again, and we can see the last piece of the Calypso Hotel facade has also just been placed over there. That looks nice again. Time to see if these bars are any popular right now. It is clear to see people do prefer the beach right now over a bar over here in Benidorm. This was our video. If you like it, please do give a like, as it greatly helps promoting my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, and hope to see you later.